Alright y'all, what's good everybody on YouTube? As you can see from the title and the thumbnail, it's another pickup vlog today. And we head into the Adidas store, which is a rare occasion because 9 times out of 10, you don't live in an area that has an Adidas store available to you to pick up Yeezys in the first place. So we head into the Galleria today and we gonna check out these Yeezy 350 V2 Oreos today. And we gonna see what they talking about, what they looking like. And I already know the gallery's gonna be packed because it's a Saturday. We gonna see. And then we got a few other stops we gotta make. We gonna take y'all along with us. And then yeah, we gonna wrap up this video. Should be quick and easy today, nothing too crazy. Just some Oreos, you know what I'm saying?
I'm good.
But y'all let us know in the comment section if you hit on the confirmed app. I took all L's.
Or if you hit on retail release, if your city got.
Yeah, if your city got the retail release as well, kind of like how the Galleria does. Let us know in the comment section as well if you hit on the confirmed app. Let us know that as well. But outside of that, then we gonna see y'all at the Galleria. So let's get it. So we left the Galleria. We was trying to get in, get out. Got what we needed, and we finna slide to Yoda crib because we got some heat we got to pick up from her. And then yeah, we gonna be out to the crib, take a look at these Oreos, and then wrap up this vlog. So let's go. Y'all, we are back. Kept the Galleria a little open, a little late. You know what I'm saying? But see the Adidas bag.
I already know what's going on.
Let her do the honors real quick. Give me a second.
Yeezy 350 Boost.
V2s.
The tag reads C black, C white, C black.
So you can see that right there.
Y'all know 7.5.
Yeah, because Yeezys run a little big, a little small. Big or
small?
They run a little small, so you gotta go a half size up. And all black with that stripe. Look, do we gotta say anything? You know what I'm saying? Fresh. But yeah.
Yeah.
Oreos. I took an L on my size. Whenever she hit on in store for these, I was just like, all right, can we go to your confirmed app and put my size in? Yeah. Still took an L, but
still took an L.
Oreo 350 V2s in store W. Got to pick it up same day they released. That is pretty rare for most Yeezys, depending on the colorway that they come out with. But the Oreos, y'all let us know in the comment section. We need to pull out the Dazzling Blues.
Nah, them can go.
So
y'all already know how I feel about the Dazzling Blues. So when I hit on these, but the resale for these goes stupid. So
kind of high.
I'm a little conflicted. I'm looking for some Wave Runners size 7 or 7.5. If you got them and you're trying to trade, hit your girl up. We could work something out.
But yeah, if like, cause we got the breads, we got these. Well, she has these now, and the Dazzling Blues. Y'all let us know out of those 3, which one y'all feel like. If you could only go with one, would you go with black and red? Would you go with the Oreos or the black and blue? Yeah. What's your favorite, you know, colors you like to wear? You know what I'm saying? With the types of fits that you got in your closet. But outside of that, I mean, it's the Oreos, it's the V2s, you know? It's a wrap on them.
Oh, look, they go with my outfit, the black and the
I was like.
But of course I wore the Cotton Nights as y'all seen. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get moving on. This week was a good week for sneakers for your girl. I hit on the Court Purple Dunks. Of course, y'all know I already hit on my 6s, the UNC 6s. And then I hit on the 3s, the Cardinal 3s. We're just gonna go ahead and show you the Court Purple Dunks since
we already did the video on the UNC 6s. If y'all want to check out that video,
it'll be linked below.
Gonna be, it's gonna be somewhere you'll be able to easily be able to see that. but I was so jealous when she hit on these because I wanted these too.
Oh, and I hit on the Paisley dunks. I forgot this was a good week.
We hit on the Paisley dunks. I think I mentioned that in the last video.
I hit in a 7 men.
Yeah, 7 men. Hold it up so y'all can see. What's that say? White or purple. That's all you need to know. I know the thing's gonna be fine. No, I need.
He hit on the Bordeaux dunks or the burgundy dunks.
Yeah, the team reds.
I would have took those over these, but we're gonna take a look together. You wanna do it, babe? You're a little too excited.
Nah,
go ahead,
it's
babe.
your side. I can't wear them. I can't wear them.
But you're excited. Go ahead. Look at them.
Look, y'all. Because everybody's like, bro, they look nice in person, and they do. Oh my gosh. The court purple ducks. I didn't know when these were gonna drop, who was gonna drop them, where, but Nike did a shock drop or something like that randomly one day, and your girl hit court purple dunks. Got the white laces.
That's raw. If y'all didn't know, I have court purple ones.
Jordan 1s.
So I guess the 2.0s.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I like these.
Look like this, but
and my court purple are still dead stock too. My ones, so it's kind of like yes, they are. I haven't worn them.
Sheesh. I've worn mine plenty of times.
These gonna be a nice summer shoe. I may wore my ones too. To be honest with you, gotta start.
Court purple dunks, y'all.
These hoes fire.
So fire, but. I mean, outside of that, we have the UNC 6s. These is busted. Look, if you on Trade Block, y'all know I got them Team Reds on there. If y'all like the Team Reds more than these, go ahead, trade your boy. I don't got no Bordeaux in my closet. I don't have no burgundy in my closet. I got purple.
Yeah, we don't mess with burgundy.
Yeah, because VCU. But look, if y'all got this in an 11 or 11 and a half, I would prefer an 11 because because dunks, like I've said before in other videos, they run kind of funny, running kind of big. So you can go a half size down if needed. Like if you're paying resale and one size is cheaper than another, then go with that size. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You'll still be able to fit them. But
these nice.
Trade Block, hit me up. Look, you should be able to just type in my Instagram name on Trade Block and you'll see me. I am Moody. You know what I'm saying? You got an 11, 11 and a half in these, and you hit on the Nike app, please. Let me know.
Hit us up.
But outside of that, what's that?
No, it's just undefeated.
Oh. But yeah, outside of that, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Where's the Yeezys?
Oh, sorry.
But outside of that, you got the Yeezys. Finally got the court purples that came in. Y'all let us know how y'all feeling about these shoes. If y'all was able to hit on these for y'allself or personal. But yeah, outside of that, we gotta wrap this video up. We gotta get, shoot, boy gotta cut his hair, gotta get packed up.
And we need a nap.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sleep till tonight. I got a lot of stuff. I gotta get this video out to y'all. You feel me? Cut my hair, cut somebody else's hair. It's just no sleep around here. But I'm gonna check y'all in the next video. Hopefully y'all subscribed, got y'all notifications on for this channel, and you like this video. And then we gonna see y'all in the next one. So we gonna see y'all. Peace.
Peace. Bye y'all.